You know the fucking craziness that is?
Damn, they covered up the motherfucking second.
Oh, here he is, right here. He's above us. Holy shit. That nigga is floating. It looks like a UFO.
I can't see
Right
it.
above us. Directly above us now. It's directly above us. 100%. 100%. I can see it still. I see the white thing.
It fucks me up every time I go to the motherfucking phone, I lose it.
Just look directly above you, and it's starting to go towards the right a little bit. It's coming out the other side, I think, for sure.
Fucking lost it every time I looked at my phone.
It's still up there, hold on.